Hey boys and girls, CM Mohit Agarwal here. Yes, again ICAI has changed examination center, but only for the three cities, Lucknow, Hyderabad and Secundarabad. Because on 1st of December, the elections are scheduled. So in many places, uh, institute thought that these are not available or these are sensitive areas. So institute ICAI has shifted the venue for the exams on 1st December, and thereafter for few of the centers, so also examination centers have been changed for Hyderabad, Secundarabad and Lucknow. Okay. Now, it's very difficult for a student who has to change the examination center, and that too only for a particular exam. Because you see, the first one, if you see, the new center, the new venue is only for the 1st December, which means thereafter he'll again have to go to the existing venue back. Okay. Now, in the serial number 1, you won't be seeing much of a difference because the pin code is same, but see the serial number 2. There is a hell and heaven difference in serial number 2. Okay. By the pin code, we can suggest that these two centers must be far apart from each other, I guess. And the new venue of the second one will be from 1st to 4th of December. Similarly, for third one, the new venue is only for 1st of December. Remaining exams will be held in the earlier venue. So make sure that this list, okay, these 15 centers list, you need to check whether your existing center falls under these 15 centers list or not. And also you need to check out not only the second column, the new center, but also for the third column, that for which dates the exams have been shifted to the new venue, because whatever date is mentioned, only for that date the new exam venue will be applicable, and remaining exams will be held in the earlier venue itself. Okay. Thank you and keep studying. Bye bye. All the best for remaining papers.